Having a hard time keeping up with technology? You are not alone. The industry is constantly evolving and new innovations are being introduced all the time. Tech gadgets represent a new frontier in technology, offering new and innovative ways for us to interact with the world around us and allow us to live our lives more efficiently and comfortably. Now, if you've seen my other videos, you'll know which is my favorite, so drop a comment below if you figure it out. Now let's take a look at 10 of these gadgets. Alright, let's dive into some fascinating tech trends. First up, we have foldable and rollable display devices. This brings in a whole new level of portability and versatility in device design. Imagine having a smartphone, tablet, or laptop that can easily fit in your pocket or bag when folded or rolled up. Foldable devices typically sport a clever hinge mechanism that allows the screen to be neatly folded in half. Rollable devices let you roll the screen up just like a scroll. Like, how cool is that? These gadgets are already making waves in the tech scene. They're not just in development, they're already on the market. You can get your hands on foldable and rollable display devices right now. As the technology continues to improve and gain popularity, we can expect to see even more amazing advancements. Let's step into the future with the mind-blowing world of smart glasses. These wearable wonders seamlessly blend the style of traditional glasses with cutting-edge, tech-like augmented reality. Get ready to see the world in a whole new way, where digital information comes alive right in front of you. The possibilities are endless with smart glasses, making them an invaluable asset across various industries. Imagine revolutionizing manufacturing, healthcare, and education by effortlessly interacting with digital data while on the job. Smart glasses aren't just for work, though. They're here to elevate your personal and entertainment experiences, too. Picture yourself diving into the immersive worlds of gaming or enjoying media like never before, all right from your glasses. Let's move into the groundbreaking world of electric and autonomous vehicles, where technology and innovation join forces to revolutionize transportation. First up, electric vehicles. The eco-friendly champion of the road. These futuristic marvels run on electricity, ditching traditional fuels and slashing harmful emissions. As we become increasingly conscious of our environmental impact, electric vehicles are rapidly gaining popularity. Not only do they help us move toward a greener future, but their improved efficiency also means longer ranges and shorter charging times. Let's not forget about autonomous vehicles, the trailblazers of the self-driving revolution. These high-tech wonders have the potential to take the driver's seat out of the equation, navigating the roads with impressive precision, all without human intervention. With autonomous vehicles, we're looking at a future where accidents can be dramatically reduced and transportation efficiency can reach new heights. Now picture a world where these two game-changing technologies intersect. Electric autonomous vehicles. Not only will they contribute to cleaner and more sustainable transportation, but they'll also take safety and convenience to an entirely new level. The days of gridlock and traffic frustrations could become a distant memory as these futuristic vehicles navigate smoothly and efficiently through city streets. Enter the fascinating world of wearable devices. These electronic wonders open up a realm of possibilities you never thought possible. Smartwatches keeping you connected and organized on the go, fitness trackers cheering you on as you conquer your wellness goals, smart glasses unveiling a whole new dimension of reality right before your eyes, and don't forget the game-changing smart clothing, blending fashion with cutting-edge tech. The pace of progress is nothing short of astonishing, with miniaturization, wireless connectivity, and sensor advancements paving the way for smarter, sleeker devices. Entertainment takes a futuristic leap with wearable devices, bringing immersive experiences right to your fingertips or your eyes. And for you fashionistas, wearable devices are here to redefine your style game. With their blend of tech and fashion, you'll be turning heads with every step you take. Before we move on, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Alright, let's dive into the incredible realm of augmented reality and virtual reality devices. So, picture this, Sicily, 1907. No, seriously, you put on an AR headset and suddenly the world around you gets an extraordinary makeover. Digital information like holograms or helpful guides is seamlessly superimposed on the real world. You have an interactive digital layer that enhances your actual surroundings. On the other hand, when you put on a VR headset, get ready for a mind-blowing adventure. VR takes you on an epic journey into a fully immersive digital universe. When I put on my Oculus Quest 2, I feel like I've stepped into another reality altogether. They both transform the way we interact with digital content. AR keeps us firmly grounded in the real world while enhancing it with digital wonders. Meanwhile, VR whisks us away to far-off places and imaginative realms, offering experiences that defy boundaries. Imagine exploring historical sites with AR, where the past comes alive right before your eyes, or stepping into the shoes of your favorite character in a VR game, where you can become part of an extraordinary adventure. From gaming and entertainment to education and design, AR and VR are making their mark in countless industries. TCL Ray Neo X2 is true augmented reality glasses in a regular eyeglass design. Equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform, which is actually the same chipset found in the MetaQuest 2 headset. These augmented reality glasses will offer a prescription insert that allows you to wear them in place of regular glasses instead of on top of them. These AR glasses can play music, have a built-in GPS that will overlay virtual directions, as well as a camera. They can be used for a wide range of applications, including gaming, education, training, entertainment, and more. Launched at the Consumer Electronics Show 2023, TCL Ray Neo X2 is the world's first binocular full-color micro LED optical waveguide AR glasses. Would you buy a watch that doesn't tell the time? The No Watch makes a convincing case for doing just that, asserting that the very notifications and schedule monitoring abilities of modern smartwatches are major contributors to stress. To end that, the No Watch restricts its functions to a health monitoring brief, including monitoring your sweat glands using Philips electrodermal activity biosensing technology. In place of the screen, the No Watch offers a selection of replacement gemstones, so you can still make a bold fashion statement with this timeless, quite literally, wrist piece. Smart home devices are electronic devices that can be connected to the internet and controlled remotely using a smartphone app or other device. These devices can automate various aspects of your home. Some common types of smart home devices include smart thermostats, smart lighting systems, smart locks, smart security cameras, and smart speakers. The popularity of smart home devices has grown rapidly. As a result, smart home devices are becoming even more advanced and widespread, offering increased automation and control over multiple aspects of the home. Health monitoring devices have also become increasingly popular. By tracking various health parameters, individuals can identify patterns and make lifestyle changes to improve their overall health. Doctors and healthcare providers are jumping on board the health monitoring bandwagon, leveraging the wealth of data collected by these gadgets. This treasure trove of information allows them to dish out personalized and super effective care plans to their patients. The best part is that health monitoring devices are becoming increasingly accessible and user-friendly, from sleek smartwatches to smart scales and everything in between. They're designed to fit seamlessly into our daily routines. You can track your heart rate while jogging, monitor your sleep patterns while resting, and even keep tabs on your nutrition. So here's to embracing a healthier and happier life with the help of these incredible devices. Next up is portable power sources. These are devices that provide a convenient source of electrical power and can be carried and used wherever needed. Examples include power banks, solar panels, and portable generators. They are useful for individuals who are frequently on the go, as well as for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy working in remote areas. The demand for portable power sources has increased due to the reliance on electronic devices, and new and improved options are expected to be developed in the future. Now, if you hadn't already figured it out, smart home devices are my favorite out of this list. So if you're interested in those, go ahead and click that video in the upper left, and you can see what my favorites are.